Hey guys, Raw JDM here. Today we are going to be replacing the bearings on my dad's trailer because he fucked up. This all has to come out. It just got obliterated. So yeah, basically prepping the area. I have to clean the inside of that and hope that it's not too damaged from the last one. Oh, yeah, there's a bit of fucking boring there. Ah.
Was that it? Oh yeah.
There we go. Not done yet. Still got to take that out.
Oh, do we?
And that out.
Pull up the flames, we on the let's let them going too fast, like right in your back, don't spin it. Left, right, don't knock me down. Can't play with a fake, I always play around. Might drop the tip, I might shake the town, I might snap my clutch and shit needs some grease. I make it heat reach 100 degrees. Look at the way that I do it with ease. I might just get the whole neighborhood skating on the streets, making somebody call the police. Well, please, I gotta make my mind right. Mental cut, you feeling trapped, pressure cooking, now you standing in the limelight.
CV doing Grace.
Yeah. It's good stuff, but it's not fucking wheel bearing grease. It's my main concern. It's not going to be strong enough. Yeah, it looks fine. Yeah, that's a lot better.
Yeah. Is it that way or the other way?
No, it's the other way. No, alright. Okay.
So is it just
Okay.
now?
Yep. How does that sound in comparison to the other side? No. Perfection. Hey guys, that was a bit of an unplanned video. I hope you guys enjoyed anyway. If it helped you, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
Go dream, let's go dream, let's go. Let's go dream, let's go motherfucking dream, yeah. For a better life, for a better life.